Heroin.
What is heroin? Heroin is an opioid drug that is highly addictive when taken. It is a naturally occurring substance that is extracted from the seeds of certain poppy plants, being typically sold as a white or brown powder. Pure heroin is bitter, so it is usually cut with sugars, starch, powdered milk, or quinine. Most of the world's white heroin is sourced from South America and some parts of Southeast Asia, mostly being sold in the markets in the USA east of the Mississippi River. Its counterpart, black tar heroin, is sticky and is predominantly produced in Mexico and sold west of the Mississippi River. The dark color that's in the black tar heroin results from raw processing methods that leave impurities behind.
How is it used? When in pure form, heroin can be snorted or smoked into the body. This method is more appealing to new users as it takes away the stigma or guilt that comes with injecting it in. Injecting it into muscles or veins or even just under the skin is mostly done with impure heroin, which could be dissolved or diluted.
What is it used for? Heroin is a morphine opioid substance synthesized from the dried latex of Papaver somniferum plant. It is mainly used as a recreational drug for its euphoric effects. Heroin is also marketed for the pain relief, depression, or anxiety. It blocks your body from getting pain messages and slows your heart rate and breathing. Heroin is highly addictive and can cause feelings of euphoria and relaxation.
Below you can see the chemical structure of heroin.
What are some effects of this drug? Some psychological effects include euphoria, pain relief, disorientation, and calmness. Some physical effects could be nausea, constipation, itchiness, and drowsiness. Some cases that are extreme could cause heart problems, insomnia, addiction, and even death.
Legality. Heroin is an illegal drug and is banned because using them can endanger your health, your life, or the life of others. Because they are not regulated in the way legal drugs are, you can never be sure of what's in them or how strong they are. Heroin is legal, however, in some European, Asian, or North and South American countries such as Portugal, Croatia, Argentina, Netherlands, Cambodia, Jamaica, Czech Republic, Uruguay, and Ecuador.
Heroin overdoses. By taking either a strong batch or a large amount of heroin, you could overdose. These overdoses are fatal as they can cause death. Symptoms of an overdose are extreme drowsiness, pinned, which are small pupils, low blood pressure, irregular heartbeat, cold and clammy skin, slow breathing, bluish/gray lips and fingertips, hypothermia, and passing out. If you ever do have an overdose, you can reverse the effects by using naloxone, better known as Narcan. Narcan can be injected intramuscularly into a muscle or by intranasal spray, which is into the nose.
Below is the USA national overdose deaths involving heroin from 1999 to 2021.
Fun facts and numbers. In the USA alone, approximately 1.1 million people, or 0.4% of the population, reported that they had used heroin in 2021. Of this, about 1 million of them had a heroin use disorder. A whopping 9,173 people died from this number due to an overdose of the drug. If taken when pregnant, the newborn baby may suffer from excessive crying, fever, irritability, seizures, slow weight gain, tremors, diarrhea, vomiting, and maybe even death due to a syndrome called NAS, neonatal abstinence syndrome.
The number of heroin users has more than doubled since 2002. The average age of first-time heroin users is just 23 years old. 23% of the people who try heroin will become addicted. Heroin addiction is one of the most difficult addictions to overcome, with a relapse rate of over 80%.
Thanks for your attention.